Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Divi website builder. Divi is an incredibly powerful and intuitive tool that transforms your WordPress site into a visual design canvas. It empowers you to build beautiful, professional websites with a simple drag-and-drop interface, eliminating the need for complex coding. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced developer, Divi offers unparalleled flexibility and creative control, making website creation. Getting started with Divi is straightforward. Your first step involves installing the Divi theme or plugin directly onto your WordPress installation. Once installed, you will need to activate your unique Divi license key. This key ensures you receive all future updates and gain access to the full suite of premium features. After activation, simply navigate to your WordPress dashboard and create a new page or post to begin building with Divi's visual editor. For the best PlayStation Portal experience, your PlayStation 5 should be connected via a wired Ethernet cable at home. The portal itself performs optimally on a strong Wi-Fi 6 or 5 GHz network. This setup minimizes latency and ensures a smooth stream. A consistent internet speed of at least 15 megabits per second is crucial for a better play experience. Achieving these ideal conditions on an airplane is nearly impossible, as you cannot control the home console's connection or the plane's network quality. Divi offers a wealth of features to streamline your workflow. Leverage its vast library of over 200 pre-made layouts to kickstart your projects. You can also save your custom-designed sections, rows, and modules to the Divi library, reusing them effortlessly across multiple pages or even different websites. Remember to always optimize your designs for mobile responsiveness using Divi's intuitive settings, ensuring a flawless experience for all your visitors.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.